Hi everyone, welcome all LT Coders YouTube channel. This is the third video of the UI designing video series. I have previously done two videos in importance of HCI model, component of HCI model. If you don't have watched that videos, please come and watch these videos also. In this video, I am talking about interfaces. Firstly, let's say what does the interface mean? Uh, Interfaces, interaction happen through the interface. Interface facilitates the communication between the user and the system. See, the interface needs to provide some mechanism. I think you know these are input, feedback, and output. Let's say firstly, what is the input? People to provide instruction and enter data into the system. Feedback mean system to tell people what's happening. Output is system to display the content, and that is information, pictures, movies, animation, and so on. Interactive interfaces. Actually, if you have watched my first video, I'm talking about interactive interfaces, but with example. But I'm not described in that video what is the interactive interfaces mean. So in this video, I'm describe interactive interfaces. Interactive interface mean the interface to have interactive system is all those parts of the system with which people come into contact. So it's happen physically, perceptually, and conceptually. Physically mean by pressing button or moving levers. Perceptually mean by displaying things on a screen or making noises. Conceptually mean by providing message and other displays. Then let's see what are the risks of poor user interfaces. Actually, the poor user interfaces can cripple a system that is outstanding in all other respects, and also can be very irritating for the user and can be hard to learn or remember, and can lose productivity, and also could literally become a life or death situation. These are the example of poor interfaces. In this figure, you can see too many tabs, and also these are the example of strange message. When we developing interface, we should consider these factors, understand the human capacities of the user, understand the consequence of using information technology as a tool for solving work-related tasks, and also develop and evaluate the system by putting the user at the center of design process. And also good interfaces should have suitable for the task, easy to use, feedback on performance, display information to useful to the user, and also confirm the principle of software ergonomics. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you for all to listen and watching my videos. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.